Surviving an emergency starts with preparation, and one of the most critical tools in your arsenal is your bug-out bag. Today, we're diving into essential tips on how to build the ultimate bug-out bag to maximize your chances of survival when disaster strikes. Whether you're facing a natural disaster or an unexpected crisis, having the right supplies at your fingertips can mean the difference between life and death. Start with a sturdy, water-resistant backpack that fits comfortably and can carry everything you need without weighing you down. Your bug-out bag should include a portable water filtration system, purification tablets, and a refillable water bottle. Pack lightweight, non-perishable foods like energy bars and dehydrated meals. Shelter is key. Add a compact tent or tarp, space blanket, and sleeping bag. Include clothing layers suitable for different conditions, a comprehensive first aid kit, and essential tools like a multi-tool and knife. Fire-starting supplies such as waterproof matches and a magnesium rod are vital. Don't forget a headlamp, batteries, and a radio. Hygiene items like biodegradable soap and wipes are crucial. Finally, secure important documents and cash in a waterproof pouch. Preparation and knowing how to use these items can drastically improve your survival odds. Now, assemble your bug-out bag and practice with each item. Stay safe, and remember, the best time to prepare was yesterday. The second best time is now.